everyone, John here at E.C.D Auto Design down in Kissimmee, Florida. Very excited to be in front of an amazing brand new truck that just came off the line, part of our exclusive county collection, Project Essex. Painted in gloss, Bahama gold finish with black accents. Even the wheels are Bahama gold. This scream coastal vacation home, beach, all around with the sand top, tan interior. It looks absolutely stunning. Rear wheel appointed, it's got just the right amount of options for a car that could be utilitarian or fun to drive around every day. You see the sawtooth 18-inch wheels, we have Goodrich tires, you have tubular bumpers, side steps over here as well. Around the car, of course, being a soft top, you could roll up the windows and quarter panels, of course, in the rear as well. We have a 2 and 2 and 4 configuration in the back, and let me show you here. This looks awesome. Beautiful tan interior. And the seating configuration is very versatile. You can have 2 or 4 seats down at the same time, or if you want to fold them up for more cargo space, you can certainly do that. From here, you can also see the AC vents for the center console. You got power windows in the back, and also A and C USB outlets. Now, under the hood on this car, we have something very special. Let me show you. This one is equipped with an LT1 455 horsepower GM engine, 6.2 liter V8, very easy to maintain, and of course, got plenty of power to move this vehicle around and have a lot of fun with it. Now, keep in mind, in all of our cars, we put a couple of terminals in here. If you ever need to jumpstart the vehicle for whatever reason, instead of dealing with the battery under the driver's side seat, you will have access to these terminals up here. Now, to avoid issues with the battery, you actually have a built-in trickle charger. As you see this plug right here, all you got to do is get an extension cord, plug it to a 110 outlet, and that will keep your battery flowing and, of course, healthy for a long time. Now, inside the cabin, this one is equipped with a Puma dash, which is the latest available in around 2015-16 and the rest of the world. Also has a Movo Prototipo wheel with the silver spokes. You also have a nice set of gauges with black faces and white numbers. This is the old school kind of roadster style, if you will. In here you will find all ventilation controls, of course, for AC. Power windows in the front are here. Power windows in the back are controlled right there. You also have a central locking button in there. We also offer a digital rearview mirror with this vehicle that has a frontal dash cam built in as well. Now, of course, out here, very easy to operate. It's just touch screen where you can go and sync in your phone and via Bluetooth. It's got CarPlay, of course, and also you'll be able to see your backup camera from there. Now, in the middle row, now I want you to pay attention to this amazing chevron style of stitching. This is an E.C.D, very unique stitch pattern. You won't see it in any other vehicles in the past. Looks absolutely stunning, and with this tan and Bahama gold combination, looks absolutely beautiful. Out here, as I was pointing out earlier, you have your ventilation controls for the rear AC, a couple of USB outlets, A and C, and your controls for the windows, of course, in the back. This is, of course, a convertible, so you can take the entire top off if you wish. Although a lot of people like to roll up the windows in the back, as I was mentioned earlier, for a little bit more versatility that way. So folks, remember, Project Essex is available now. So if you have any questions whatsoever, or you'd like to find out more about it, please reach out to us. We'll be happy to help any way we can. Bye for now. Take care.